Lorex offers an extensive lineup of wired security systems and continues to innovate in the MPX bullet-style camera selection. The LBV2561U is a white polycarbonate 1080p HD camera. It can be mounted horizontally or vertically and can be installed indoors or outdoors. The base of the camera has foam backing to help keep the weather away from the cabling if the camera is mounted outside. The cable notch accommodates the cable if you decide to surface mount. The 2561 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 rated and can operate in a wide range of environments with a heat rating as high as 122 degrees Fahrenheit and a cold rating of -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is an HD sensor offering 1080p resolution, sending the signal down coax, also called an MPX system. The 2561 is equipped with 12 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 90 feet of night vision. The LBV2561 has a split glass design where the lens is physically separated to block the light from the LEDs reflecting back into the lens. Also unique to this camera is the enormous ultra-wide field of view of 160 degrees. This field of view is perfect for wide open areas like a backyard or a driveway front yard. You'll catch all the action. The 2561 offers high-quality imaging with the use of coaxial cabling to carry the video signal. It can be connected to a wide range of DVRs available from Lorex. The included Allen key allows the user to adjust the angle of the camera. A 60-foot extension cable called a Siamese cable is part of the kit. The cable has the video coax and power cable as one single cable to make installation a lot easier. A mounting kit is included with screws and anchors to attach the camera to a wall. Quick start guides in various languages are also included, offering mounting and adjustment instructions. A 24-hour window sticker is also part of the kit. A DC power adapter is also included. The Lorex LBV2561 offers very high-quality images and an ultra-wide field of view, which will serve all your security needs.